Welcome to Hiragana Lesson 8. Today we are learning the Y row, just 3 simple characters. The good news is this is the shortest Hiragana row. You learn it in just a few minutes. The sounds of this row is ya, you, yo. This is ya. This is you. And this is yo. Let's check out the stroke order of the Y row. The first character of the Y row is ya. Ya. This is ya. So this character has got 3 strokes. Let us see how to make them. The first stroke is like this. The second stroke is this. And the third stroke is this. This is ya. Ya. The second character of the Y row is you. You. The character is you. This character has got 2 strokes. Let us see how to make them. The first stroke is like this, and the second stroke is like this. This is you. You. The third character is yo. Yo. The character is yo. So let us see how to make this character. The first stroke is like this, and the second stroke is like this. This is yo. Yo. Ya. You. Yo. Let us see how much you have learned. Which is this character? This is yo. Which is this one? This is ya. And the last one? This is you. Practice writing these 3 characters today. Next, we will learn the R row. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro.